Hi, I'm Netta, here from Gyro, celebrating 50 years in business.
If you're looking for a reliable sedan with low kilometers and an attractive price point, let me introduce this beautiful 2015 Toyota Corolla we just got in on trade. This vehicle's in fantastic condition. It only has 72,000 kilometers on it, and it's accident-free. This LE trim comes equipped with great features such as cloth seats, backup camera, heated front seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth, automatic headlights, rear window defroster, heated power mirrors, power windows, power door locks, and much more.
So come on down to Gyro, speak to any of our knowledgeable product advisors, and they would be happy to answer any questions that you have.